Here we're asked to solve each system of linear equations by using substitution. So with substitution, the first thing I'm going to do is solve for a variable in one of the equations. So I'm just going to choose the top one here, and I'm going to solve for y, because that looks easiest since there's no coefficient. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides, which gives me y equals negative 5x plus 8. Now I'm going to substitute because I know y is equal to all of this stuff on the right here. That means in this equation where I have 2x plus y, instead of having y here, I'm basically just going to be plugging in all of this information here. So what that becomes is 2x plus y, but instead of y, I'm substituting negative 5x plus 8, and then I'm bringing down the rest of the equation here. So my substitution here is I took negative 5x plus 8 and plugged that in for y, because I know that y is equal to all of that stuff. Now I'm just going to solve for x. So now I'm solving the equation. In this case, I'm solving it for x. So what this is 2x plus a negative 5x. So that's like saying minus 5x plus 8 equals 5. So now I'm just solving 2x minus 5x is negative 3x plus 8 equals 5. I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides, which gives me negative 3x equals negative 3. Divide both sides by negative 3, and I get x is equal to 1. So that's halfway done with this, because again, I need to look for a solution which should be a coordinate, right? An x value and a y value. Now I know my x value is 1 because I solved that. Now I just need to substitute or plug this x value back in to one of my equations. I'm going to go ahead and use this one here, and let me go ahead and change that color. So the substitution here, I'm plugging in this x value in for this equation, so I get 2 times 1 plus y equals 5. So that's 2 plus y equals 5. Now I'm subtracting 2 from both sides, which gives me y is equal to 3. So my y value is 3. So my solution is 1, 3, or when x is 1 and y is 3. I can double check that really quick by plugging these back in. When x is 1, 2 times 1 plus 3 is 5. So that looks good. 5 times 1 plus 3 is 8, and that looks good as well. So I've checked my answer. So my final answer here is 1, 3.